I logged into this one, the CK UK room, just because it was the first thing I saw a UK stamp on it. But I haven't had much luck with all the others. I don't know if you've got any recommendations then.
Morning, M0MSN, Mike's the name. And today we're going to look at C4FM using a Yaesu FT-991A via a Pi0 hotspot. I have no System Fusion repeaters in the area, so that's my only access. Anyway, let's have a look and see how it works. There's a couple of ways you can connect to the System Fusion system. One of them is via a repeater. A simple internet search may reveal one. If not, of course, you could always use a hotspot, which I have to do, as there are no repeaters in my area. The hotspot I've chosen is a Pi Star. It's relatively straightforward to set up, but something I'm not going to go into on this video. To enable System Fusion on your hotspot, you simply select the System Fusion mode and turn it on. Then, under the Yaesu System Fusion Configuration tab, you select your startup host. In this case, I've selected America Link, as I found this to be the most active. I've also checked the WiresX pass-through. So here we are, sitting on CG, my local repeater. And what we need to do is select my hotspot. This is on 438.800. It's a simplex hotspot, so relatively straightforward. Into the menu and press WiresX. It will send us a transmission to the hotspot asking for access, and you'll see there it will come back with the default settings. Now I click America Link and connect to it. And we're basically on Yaesu System Fusion. To find the different talk groups, you click all, and this will send another spike, and then we'll return back with a list of all of the different talk groups available to you. Simply click the one that you want to enter, and it should connect.
Whiskey Zero Bravo, uniform correct, any station, can I have a quick audio check, please, Owen?
2 Whiskey Zero Bravo, uniform Quebec, Mike 0, Mike Sierra November.
2 Whiskey Zero Bravo, uniform Quebec, returning. Good evening, sir. It is a real pleasure to hear your voice. My first contact on Fusion. I was beginning to think I'd had something wrong in the settings, but thank you very much to hear your voice, much appreciated. Whiskey Zero Bravo, uniform Quebec.
Yeah, Mike 0, Mike Sierra November returning, yes, no problems at all. Yeah, loud and clear, absolutely perfect signal, no distortion. And welcome to System Fusion.
Yeah, obviously, 2 Whiskey Zero Bravo, uniform Quebec returning. It's been a bit of a challenge for me, like, because I'm returning to the hobby after a break of a bit.
Yeah, sure am. Go ahead.
Sorry about that. I'm not sure if I dealt with somebody, because after I unkeyed, I saw the other call sign there. Did you catch anything I said?
That was just pretty incredible. The distance, it literally models, it'll fly, pretty far away. M3 ZBL, frightening.
Roger, M3 to ZBL. This is N283R. Yeah, well, I never flew out of sight because I was worried about losing it. My first real good one was the DJI Phantom #1, and it had a camera on it, and I went out and bought an altimeter from Amazon and velcroed it to it so I could press the button, send it up. No. Callsign. It is Callsign. Kilo. Stop it, dude. Kilo.
Negative on the KC5, Masa. My call sign is W1JC, and that's on all bands.
Yeah, copy your last.
There you go, System Fusion. It works out of the box without any issues. Very simple to use, very quick, and yeah. Thumbs up, Yaesu.